Can you say stuff about what?
You're gonna show Heath?
It's gonna be posted on YouTube, so it's not just Heath that sees it, so.
Oh yeah. Just say something in my inner Zen voice. That's a good time, do you not like me? That's John.
That does not sound like Zenitsu.
It sounds like the English version.
No, it does not.
No, do you want me to pull up something that's a joke?
Sure. Does it have any bad words in it? Okay, good.
Joke is Kaigaku. Ow! You bought me a word! No! This guy Kaigaku.
Ow.
He's the joke. This is the joke. Kaigaku! He's Zenitsu's forgotten brother.
Why does this thing not like to turn
Well,
on?
I hate Kaigaku. You know why? He made the gram. So, that's why I hate
Cakey doodles. I didn't charge my earbuds yesterday.
Do you need your phone charged?
No, it's at 90%.
That's good. Even though
This window gets so fogged up.
The black ones are dying when I grab one of those. Everybody get on me.
At least the heat's on. I go slow down. Huh? No. Maybe. Kokushimo. Kokomo Puff. Kokomo Puff.
and literally Doma gets out.
We don't talk about that Akaza and Doma moment that we did. No. I just might have to mute the sound on that part now.
What sound?
But it probably fixed that up. Yeah, never mind. Ooh, yellow beetle.
Now we're going under a bridge.
Yellow beetle. Dang it, the window gets so clogged up all the time.
And then we're turning up this light thingy.
There we go. What?
The light. I see light.
What do you mean you see light? Why is it so blurry?
It's really blurry. So
Yeah, because it's like wet.
yeah, the bus seat's blurry. So like, wait.
My fingers are freezing.
Do you want me to hold it? I'll hold it.
No.
My hands totally are shaky.
Oh.
Owie!
I wonder if I can just.
Oh God.
No, I can't. It probably will.
Yeah, but we will.
I need to reset the thing. Oh, there we go.
Show me this by any chance?
I might.
Yeah. So I can say something. I can say something to him. Right.
Sure.
But now post this on YouTube.
I am going to.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. You have to film a new video.
Huh? Well, I can't pause the video and record you. Because then, never mind. So, girlies, now we are going to go up to more wood and more wood and more wood. Huh?
Girlies, the girlies, you better
It's
like
less?
this video. You need the likes. You need the likes.
I mostly get the likes on the shorts and not the actual videos.
Let me pull up your YouTube, bro. See what he has to say.
These things.
Okay. Got it. I can't wait to hear you talk. Let me.
Y'all, my fingers are freezing. Thursday, I will not be doing a PM recording because I have to take a test over time. That's cool. Yay. Why does this window get so foggy? It's because it's cold. Hello? What? What? Okay, so my friend just texted me that she hates me because of a picture she's sending, and she sent me a picture of her watch saying time to stand, and I said that wasn't me, and she said I now, but you've influenced my watch. I'm texting her I now. What? I know what she means by it. She means I know, but I just like to do that. Yeah, and on the exit, yay. She said, shut up. Dang. I feel offended now. Ow. I'm gonna tell her no. See what she says. She said yes. I said no. Pitchfork. Whatever that's meant to mean. No, Kai, I cannot.
What?
I cannot text him that you like him.
What?
I cannot text him that you like him.
Why?
Because he's grounded.
At least it's not me this time. About
Friend said that she was gonna kill herself later. No.
Wait,
I
what?
said no. She said yes. I'm like, No. So now I'm not going to respond to her. Gabriel. Gabriel. Gabe. Look at your phone. Brooklyn sent you something. Look at your phone. This is going to be a special episode since my seatmate is not here. Yeah. So we're on the way to the school. And not on the way to the school. We're on the way to the school. I'm probably gonna have to pause here for a minute. There we go. If I record on the last day of school, it's going to be so quiet. It's going to be nice. Since most of the kids like to get picked up on the last day of school, we have like 5 to 10 people on the bus compared to 40. Good.
Let's talk about why I
It's freezing cold.
Thunder Breathing fourth is the first form. Thunderclap and Slash. Thunderclap and Slash. I don't think I can do Thunderclap and Slash anymore. That's so cold.
Dude, my hand feels and tastes like ice. Don't ask how I know it tastes like ice.
I don't care. I think don't see. Well,
stop recording once we pull in, because everyone likes to get up at that time.